Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. On today's video I'm going to show you how to cut video in Capcut. So you can cut or trim your video in Capcut. So I'm going to do this in my last project, so just click on this. Okay, to trim your video you can just click on the video and then you'll find this timeline or this white box right here. So when you want to trim your video, you just need to swipe this white line here until your desired duration or your design frame like this, or you can also cut or trim the end of the video like this. Just do the same, so just drag this down, drag this like so. But if you want to cut the video in the middle, you can just use the split feature. So you can just play the video first and then click on split and then play again and click on split again. So for example, this is the part that you want to cut or you want to trim, so just click on that and then click on delete. Okay, so that's all for me. That is how you can cut video in Capcut. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment and also subscribe. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.